discover your oasis at the Reserve at Twin Rivers. This breathtaking lakefront coastal designed pool/spa home built in 2020 awaits your arrival. A perfect blend of charm and elegance, this residence showcases a desirable split floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, nestled on a generous 0.25-acre lot. The 3-car garage, complete with ample shelving, ensures convenience and storage space. As you step inside, you will be captivated by the spaciousness and thoughtful features that define this exceptional home. The Gourmet Kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, boasting quartz counters, wood cabinets with soft close feature, and an oversized island perfect for gatherings and unforgettable conversations. An open floor plan allows for a seamless flow throughout the home, while the southern waterfront exposure welcomes an abundance of natural light that graciously illuminates the interior. The 10-feet-high tray ceilings adorned with elegant wooden beams create an ambience of sheer bliss, adding an enchanting touch to the overall atmosphere. Retreat to the master suite, where pool views and comfort converge. A large wrap-around walk-in closet with custom shelving offers optimal organization, while the ensuite bathroom presents a haven of luxury. Dual sinks, a large walk-in shower with 2 shower heads, and a sense of pampered indulgence redefine everyday living. Bedroom 4, conveniently located next to the flex/bonus room, offers versatility for multifamily living or a serene personal space, ensuring both comfort and functionality for your lifestyle needs. This home boasts remarkable features, including a water softener system, RO system, and LED lighting throughout, while the vibrant LED lighting in and around the pool creates a magical atmosphere for your private oasis. With nearly 3,000 square feet of living space, this residence provides a seamless transition from the gourmet kitchen to the dining room onto a spacious great room with extended sliders that unveil the expansive 700 square foot lanai. Here, a custom-built heated saltwater pool and spa awaits, presenting the perfect setting for hosting unforgettable gatherings and making memories with loved ones. Embrace the highly sought-after lifestyle that the Reserve at Twin Rivers community offers, with its low HOA fees and no CDD fees. Located just minutes from I-75, this haven provides an effortless commute to Tampa, St. Petersburg, Sarasota, and Bradenton, making it a prime location for both convenience and comfort. Nearby, indulge in brand new shopping and dining experiences, catering to your every desire and need. Outside your doorstep, a world of adventure awaits. From boating, canoeing, and kayaking to hiking and fishing, you can immerse yourself in countless outdoor activities that bring joy and fulfillment to your family. This estate home, a true embodiment of splendor, is a rare find that must not be overlooked. Schedule your private tour today and envision the endless possibilities this Ma.